brief something on top the company and where this particular guest took hand inside. Now 440 na seed fund where they invest for inside Nigeria technology startup. We know the technology for inside Nigeria na something where we never really put our hand, we never really embrace them well. So those people 440 that they invest for inside technology for Obodo Naija. And they talk to their mission now to support the tech startup ecosystem for inside Nigeria. And how they want to do them, they go invest for inside the entrepreneurs. We get promising web mobile businesses. And so far, they don't invest on top 9 different companies for inside 2014 where they enter. I beg get me welcome, Amina Adewusi. Good to have you. Well, welcome. I'm not speaking English with you. Welcome to the show, Amina.
Thank you. It's a great pleasure to be here.
Nice one. Now, you both will speak today.
You're going to say, Amina is Nigerian by birth, but she they do us very proud in diaspora.
Yes.
That's why we encourage our people where they Obodo Igbo say you need to come back home. All the sabi where you learn for there. Your people they here we go feel benefit from some of the things the way they do. That's why we think waiting 440 they do na a very laudable venture. All right, to make we start, Amina, why Nigeria? Is it because you be Nigerian or you don't do them across Africa? Na Nigeria turn, or what makes Nigeria the focus for now?
Nigeria as Africa's largest economy, it's really something very simple to decide to look at investing here. Africa is growing. So many people, everyone has one mobile phone at least, if not 2 or even 3. So companies that are looking to use mobile, use internet, it's a very, very good way of reaching the masses, and we see it as a very good business opportunity at 440 NG.
Nice one, nice one.
Very well put together.
Okay, so far, how you don't see the Nigeria society in terms of accepting technology? How you don't see them? You feel say na something where in the next 2 years go blow, or na something where in the next 10 years now we're going to embrace technology?
Yes, much sooner, as in Jumia, Konga, Iroko, all these things, all technology companies. And Nigerians are very innovative, very quick, very intelligent. They can take up new things very easily. And that's why we feel strongly that this is the right place for technology investments at 440.
Beautiful.
And they value the way she they put them together.
Yes, they break them.
She they talk them where, even though she they talk about people still they get what she they talk. You know, a lot of people will tell you, say, is Nigeria ready? Because when we talk about technology, we're talking fiber optics, we're talking about fast internet. And we know, say, a lot of things don't they live abroad. If you go Obodo Igbo now, there is nowhere where you go work out. Within a few radius, you go see free access Wi-Fi. But for Nigeria, it's still very expensive to put Wi-Fi for some of the things that we would do. Now, to just say you want to watch online TV, that means the bandwidth you go finish, you go just swipe. How you think, say, we go fit cope with this challenge?
This is a real challenge, and one thing we as Nigerians, we must overcome. Internet, 3G, Wi-Fi is the future. And we've already started. We will definitely make sure that we have faster internet, that we can all access Wi-Fi, access 3G, even for education, for health, lots of important information, and using your phone. Even internet is one thing, but now there are companies, they can send text message to your phone so you can receive information. That's one step. Next step is internet. You can do your shopping. You can do your exam revision. We invest in one company, pass.ng. You can revise for your JAM exam. You will do better in school using internet and phone.
All right, just me, my major concern is how not they get on our funds. How they get your funds? You will come from Obodo Igbo to invest in technology for Nigeria. How people they sponsor you at all?
So we have one fund. We have investors from Nigeria and investors from abroad. It's a hand-in-hand we work together, 50% international, 50% Nigerians. So it's Nigerians investing in Nigeria.
Oh.
And this is very promising.
Wonderful, wonderful. You know, say our government, we just transitioned. What do you think, like, if they give you the opportunity, like, suggestion-wise, what do you think, say, the president will we get now, if we do to help technology get stronger, so that people like you go feel attract even more people, because that's the way forward.
That's the way forward, really.
So what do you think, say, be policies or government initiatives where they feel put for grant, we go foster this kind of thing, make us stand where we're?
First thing before I answer is that it's very positive to see Nigerian hand over power to another party peacefully. Very, very proud of Nigeria. And when international investors are now looking at the economy, it reflects very, very well. This is a very good thing. Now for president, we ask infrastructure. It's the big word. Power, roads, water. If we can just give this foundation to our economy, there's nothing else we have to worry about. As in, if we have power, all of our businesses can operate. Incomes will rise. People can buy mobile phone. They can buy internet. It's this infrastructure that will set our economy for decades to come.
Wow, beautiful. Lastly, I just want to ask you, if I am an entrepreneur where they invest inside technology and I want to apply so that you can actually fund my company, what do I need to do?
Very, very easy. Just go to 440.ng and all information is there. Application, very, very quick. 440.ng.
Easy.
You know, see how she just they talk out. Even me, I just they look the mouth.
Yes, thank you.
You go know somebody where they don't train for public speaking.
Oh my God, you're so very articulate.
Where sabi convey knowledge.
Yes.
I'm just learning from you both, really.
But before you go, you know, say now that Wazobia you day, we must teach you something for pidgin.
Please.
So you fit talk. So if somebody be ask you, say, okay,
how you day?
How technology day?
I say technology they good.
Yes, so that's what that very heartwarming. It's a technology day good. All right, if people want to reach you, you just told them the website.
Yeah.
So what is it again?
It's 440.ng and on Twitter 440.ng, on Facebook 440.ng. You can find us.
Yeah, that's on 440.ng on all the social media networks. I hope say no be the last time we will go see you for Nigeria. How long this one go day? This day where you day? How long it go take?
Like until the end of the year, I'll be here.
Oh my God!
Nice one.
So we go make you area now before you go. We'll teach you how to chop.
Colonize you.
Nigeria jollof fries.
Of course.
You must learn.
No, jollof fries. Akpu and
where Akpu go stay for this body.
Egusi is my favorite now.
Oh. I'll teach you Owo soup.
All right, so thank you so much. Thank you find and come and enlighten us. And we hope say well now want to do seminars and things that way you know say people go feel benefit. It go good make you just send us invites because we get a lot of people across the country where they're very, very interested in technology and the business. The online trading where they now.
They even get one seminar in September, do you? You get something we want in September?
Yes, we have one 24-hour event where we will invest in at least one startup in under 24 hours.
Wow! I beg you carry the information, give us, so that we go fit tell our people because we dey all about empowering our mind, empowering our people. If people were out there, they know say this kind of thing won't happen. 24 hours. That means you must be able to prove to them that in 24 hours, if you do this and that.
You have to be intelligent to prove to them.
And Nigerians, me, one thing where I know where I beat my chest.
We know the forehand.
We know the forehand. When it comes to brain work,
we are good at it.
Even a bad work, we sabi. But we go just buy a small break. By the time we will come back, we'll go see our guest out. But we'll go get something we'll go just give you. We'll go make you just sit down and enjoy. When they come back, you see they watch the Good Morning Naija show.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.